Do you want to sound like an English speaking person? So here are some phrases for you which you should speak in your daily English conversation in order to show that you are a regular English speaker. If you want to show yourself a regular English speaker in your common day-to-day conversations, you speak certain of these words very often so that people will admire you for your English speaking ability. So the first one, when you are greeting someone, when you are casually meeting someone, say, "Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up?" Just give a hug and say, "Hey, what's up?" Or shake a hand and say, "Hey, what's up?" Or you can also say, "How is this going? How is it going?" These are some ways of casually greeting someone. Or you can also say while meeting, "Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Good to see you." And when you are at the same time leaving them, when you are at the same time leaving them, jab ja rahe hain, you are bidding them farewell, you are bidding them bye. So say, "Catch you later. Catch you later." It is for this statement for bye bye. Okay, bye bye करते हैं ना. So for bidding bye bye, it is catch you later. Then when you are agreeing someone over something, ठीक है, किसी से आप कुछ बात पर सहमत हैं, तो say totally agree with you, totally agree with you. Or you can say, "You're right, you're right, you're right." You can say that. When you're uh, talking, having a conversation, बात कर रहे हैं, surprise आ जाता है. Something which you can't believe yourself. You are not able to understand what he did not believe what actually he has said. Surprise वाली जो बात आ जाती. No way. Say no way. Or say, "You are kidding? You are kidding me?" So तुम मतलब मजाक कर रहे हो. It's a situation of extreme surprise. You have not expected it, so you are kidding. Say, uh, then while talking, if you are trying to understand something and you want more clarification over it, ठीक है, उस पे clarification आपको चाहिए. Then I say, "What's the deal?" Or say, "What's that about?" You can also say what? There are different phrases. What's the deal? What's that about? Also, in shortest way, say what? Say what? So in this way, you are expressing your surprise. You want your clarification over it. Then, for expressing some kind of frustration, you are listening something and you are really frustrated. जैसे कोई चीज आपको बहुत ज्यादा परेशान कर रही है. So, give me a break. Say, "Give me a break." ठीक है, छोड़ दो मुझे, जाओ अकेले, ऐसे कहते नहीं है. So say, "Give me a break." Say that. Or say, "Oh, seriously. Oh, seriously." So you can make use of these certain words while expressing your annoyance. You want some separation at the time, loneliness, to understand your feelings. Then, if you want to encourage someone over something, you want to encourage, give it support, say, "You got this, you got this." Or you can say, "Way to go." You can also say, "Way to go." Or in an extremely encouraging situation, "Come on, come on, come on." You can say. So these are certain words which should be used in day-to-day conversations when you want to show yourself a native English speaker. यानी कि इंग्लिश की स्पीकिंग वाली जगह के व्यक्ति आप अपने आप को दिखाना चाहते हैं, then you have to speak English like a pro. So if you want more English speaking lessons, you mention me in the comments. Bye.